Sustainable Technologies, a Cardinal Health business, is a leading provider of single-use device reprocessing. Our goal is to reduce the impact of healthcare delivery on the environment while never compromising patient care and safety. In our FDA-registered reprocessing facility in Riverview, Florida, device quality is always our top priority. Processes for cleaning and high-level disinfection are validated and controlled to help ensure that a consistent, reliable product is produced every time. Every device we reprocess is 100% functionally tested to confirm safety and quality before resale. And when a product's end of life is reached, our facility operates on a zero waste to landfill model that provides environmentally optimal disposition. And when it comes to supply chain, we're equally committed to providing a seamless reprocessing experience. Our field service team works closely with customers to understand their needs, optimize their savings, and provide additional support, including business reviews, comprehensive customer reporting, and in-servicing. Quality reprocessed devices, customized solutions, consistent financial value, and environmentally sustainable practices. This is what Sustainable Technologies provides every day to more than 1,800 hospitals around the country. For more information, please visit sustainabletechnologies.com.